Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change privacy password in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. First of all, go to settings of your phone. Go to settings. Then go to security. And here select privacy and app encryption. And give your pattern for authentication. Now click on modify privacy password, and here enter your old privacy password. Okay, so here I have given this password. Okay, and now set new password. Click on password options. You can set 4-digit pin, or you can use custom alphanumeric password or pattern. Okay, now I would like to use alphanumeric privacy password. Okay, so for that I just set here new password. Type the password that you want to set. Zero 45 6 0456. Click on next. Again give the same password to verify. Zero 456 and click on confirm. Yes, now privacy password has been changed. Okay, now check it. Again go to settings, then go to security, and here select privacy and app encryption. Verify with your pattern or fingerprint for authentication and confirmation, and here click on modify privacy password, and it will ask your old privacy password. So now privacy password is 0 456. So yes, it's working. So in this way you can easily change privacy password in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.